Good afternoon. How you doing? I am Chris Thompson, going to pick up a deposit check for a new fixing list for the painting, and I meet my flooring guy there to get some measurements and just kind of do a quick rundown on everything else we still have to do to prepare this thing. But new one coming in Damascus, big beautiful single family, so stay tuned.
6-inch runners, that's 4-inch each side, and this.
Yeah,
That's
that way it shows
4 inches.
Carpeting going in here in the master, and then look how pretty this bathroom is, and then new carpet going in the master closet, and we're not touching the hardwoods here because they're already beautiful. New carpet in this bedroom, and new carpet in this bedroom, and of course new carpet in this bedroom. One thing I forgot about this house, look how deep these closets are. These things are huge. The lighting's not great, but you get the point. And it's not just that one bedroom. Every bedroom has a closet that is quite sizable. All right, so we got that. Okay. Where's the damn light switch here? Oh, there we go. All right, so basement, we're thinking changing out this carpet, or if we can get away with cleaning it, then we'll clean it. This is just an extra piece, but so they've already got the LVP down here. So should we replace this or should we clean it?
For me, it's better to replace.
Replace it, make it match everything.
Yeah. For me, I don't
looking at it, well, looking at the wear, especially like here on the.
Yeah, that's the problem. You know that when we clean that one, that area,
It's hard to.
Yeah.
And then it stays fluff like a week and then gets matted back down. All right, let's plan to just, because it's such a short run, let's just plan to replace this as well with and match everything. All right, so we just wrapped up here in Damascus. We got all of our measurements, and the carpet's gonna go in like 2 weeks. I got my painters coming in here to repaint the entire house, top to bottom, inside and out. Well, just inside, it's vinyl siding on the outside. So another fixing list coming soon, and stay tuned.